Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm going to be showing you how to paint my Namjoon inspired nail art design for his very special 27th birthday. So without further ado, let's get started. Start by applying base coat. I'm using my favorite unpeel off base coat, and as usual it is linked in the description box. Next, paint your index fingernail light neon blue, your middle fingernail white, your ring fingernail gray, and your pinky and thumbnails pink. The first design that we're painting is on the middle fingernail. I'm just taking some neon colors to recreate Namjoon's 5th muster in Seoul and Busan t-shirt design. What I love about his t-shirt design is that it incorporates how you cannot spell army without RM. Now that we're done with the lettering, I'm just going in with other colors just to make it more colorful. And onto the ring fingernail, it is inspired by Namjoon's Tom Brown edition Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, which is just a very simple kind of striped design. And onto the index and pinky fingernails, I'm just taking white polish to draw some like abstract squiggly lines, and I know that Namjoon really likes modern art, so I thought that this was kind of like a modern art design. On the thumbnail, I'm just going to be sponging on a little bit of white and the base color, and I just want a little bit of like texture in the background, I guess you could say. And now I'm just going to be drawing Namjoon from their second emoticons that they released for Dynamite. So that's the one where he's saying thank you, and the reason why I decided to do a design for that image is because Namjoon with blue hair is simply legendary and it is an iconic look, and because he recently got rid of the blue hair and went back to a darker hairstyle, I thought that it would be a good opportunity to kind of honor that. It really did suit him so well, so you know, for his birthday, of course, I want to show him in his best look. And of course, on Namjoon's birthday, we are celebrating his existence and birth into this world, and I'm always grateful towards RM for his amazing leadership qualities, of course for leading the biggest boy group on this planet, and for kind of being one of the bridges to help us better convey the love that we intend to put out in this world. I'm also happy that he can be a pillar of support to the members that are newer to songwriting and song producing, and it just shows how dependable he is, not only as a leader but also as a person. Now all you have to do is apply your favorite glossy top coat on all 5 fingernails, and I also went over my index and pinky fingernails with matte top coat just because I preferred those designs without the shine. So this is the end to my Namjoon Day nail art tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and that this nail art design represents Namjoon in some sort of way. And I also hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, Namjooning and just celebrating our beautiful leader, RM. Bye everyone!